You're just really hungry, aren't you? Your two brothers have already eaten. So we had to mix up a new batch of milk for you. You're just like going nutso. Yeah. Well, until you calm down, I can't give you any milk. Is that what you want, milk? Look at you, silly. There's no milk in my finger. You are going to be one hungry kitty when you grow up. Yeah, you are. Well, let's get you some milk. How's that sound for a deal? Milk? Would you like milk? Well, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to set the camera down here. Let me get this bottle here. Let's see if you'll take some milk. Is that what you want? Milk? I don't know if the camera's going to pick you up or not. Yeah, I can't give you milk if you're hooked onto my shirt. Ready? Whoa, hold on. Hold on. Here we go, here we go, here we go. I know you. Hold on, you. Come on. Oh, there we go. There we go. Okay, you kicked it out. Trying to get you in a position is hard. It's hard. I know. You're worse than Scooter. Hold still. Hold still. Wow, you got some sharp blades. There we go. There we go. There we go. Did your purr motor just come on? This is the most difficult part, getting the bottle in. And whether I'm doing it right, whether I'm holding them right, none of that really matters when they're fighting the whole system. It's good eating, isn't it? Geez, do you need a straw? Hold on. You go absolutely limp when you're drinking. Kitten 2 here is the biggest and the strongest. I just fed the other two. They're both a little bit more difficult. I don't know if they just can't see it. I have a hard time getting the nipple in their mouth. Once it's in, if they don't like writhe around, then it stays in there, and then they'll sit there and drink. Are you purring? Oh, we lost it. How about we do it this way this time? There we go. There we go. Whoa! Hold on. You're gonna need your face cleaned? Boy, I wish the other two and the other three had been this simple. This is definitely something I had to learn, and they seem to have learned with me. Didn't come natural at all. Not at all. You're purring. funny, they paw at the air like they're pawing at their mom. All done? You got your purr blaster going. Please don't poop on me. Yeah, don't poop on me. Oh my. Wasn't expecting kisses. Ow! Those blades are sharp when they run across my lips. I gotta figure out a name for you. You're gonna be a big girl. I can tell right now. Ready for some more? There we go. Nope, there we missed it. I will be so glad when you guys can drink from a bowl. You move around too much. Come on. Yeah, I know. When you move around, I can't see well enough to get this in your mouth. That's why you gotta hold still, and you don't do that very good. None of you do. No, you don't. I think that's probably my biggest problem. Me not seeing. Them having bad eyes. It's a bad combination. Alright, Jose. There you go. You're doing good. Sure drink in the weirdest positions. You happy now? You want more? I don't know if you can see this or not. Don't scratch my lips again. As small and delicate as you are, you make the other ones look like just tiny babies. I'm keeping my chin down so you don't scratch my chest. Because you sure have some sharp blades there, young girl. Alright, let's get that thing back in there. Yep, there we go. I'm sure I'm doing it wrong. Yeah. Well, let's not take it too fast here, okay? Okay.